Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be playing Skywars. So let's see how it goes. Okay, I'm going to get a sword, a love bucket, and some snowballs. Okay, he's 3. What are the skill level of the people in this? He probably has some snowballs. Oh, dang it, I'm trash. Okay, I'm going to get... Okay. Wait, bro, what? What just happened there? Okay, let's get into another game. I haven't played Skywars in a while, so I kind of forget how to play the game. He has a snowball. I'm trash. Okay, let's hop into another game. Okay, I'm gonna get a weapon here. Why do people take so long to loot a chest? I can't drag right now that good, so. Okay, I got him. I'm not gonna risk jumping to mid because I'm playing bot right now. Oh, dang. Snowball. You're level 16? Wait, no. Oh, I just sniped him. I'm gonna jump down. Oh, a stone sword with sharpness does more damage? Okay. Let me see, can I get him here? Okay, I got him right there. Ah, dang it, I died. Okay. A story. I used to main Skywars duels. I used to play like the only thing I play on Hypixel. But now I don't main it anymore. That's what I do in Minecraft. Wait, how did he take no damage? Oh, how did I get them there? I'm actually surprised about that. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, so for this video, I'm gonna try out a new video editor. It is free and it has no watermark, according to the video I watched. So hopefully it performs well, unlike me in Skywars. How did I miss that? He's level 1. I'm gonna pop a gap. Okay, let's see. Oh, bro, I didn't see him there. I'm gonna see if I can win this game. I probably can't because of my horrible performance in the other games. Oh, I've never played this map. I mean, I have probably, but I'm not. Oh God, that was scary. Okay, this guy was crouch bridging. I don't know what to think about that. No. Oh, I got a double kill. I literally stole his kill. Wait, there's only four players left, and I have 2 kills, which I stole both of them. Okay. Where are the other players? I'm just gonna go up here so I can bow them if I see any. Oh, right there. Oh, dang it. Okay, there he is. I really don't know about editing for Skywars. So yeah, hopefully this is good. That guy's name is, did I get that? Kill? Oh, I didn't. Okay. I shot him though. Oh no, wait. He's 74 stars in bedwars, not Skywars. Why did you have no armor? You're literally I'm mid. Is this the longest game in the video? I'm gonna have to edit this good to get retention. By the way, thanks for the support on my recent video. Got like 50 views, which is kind of good for me. So yeah, thanks. Wait, I'm gonna go kill him. He's getting annoying. Wait, I think the frag potion I stole from the guy I killed. Oh, I'm half a heart right now. Oh, GG's. Okay, I got some eggs and some armor. I think golden armor is better than leather armor. I think the durability is probably worse, but I think the how much damage it protects is probably better. Wait, no! How? He's 1 star in bedwars. I don't know what that says about Skywars, because some people are Skywars sweats, but they don't play bedwars. Okay, I'm on this island. I just used the jump, the frog, if you're wondering. Wait, how did I? Wait, I played with that guy in one of the games. Okay, good luck. Some apples. That's nice. Not much blocks. But I bet I can play with those. He probably has a snowball. I called it right there. Wait, what? Oh my god. Oh, dang it. Couldn't go to mid. This is the map that I died on, felling the clutch on one of my first games, which I think I'm gonna cut out. I feel so bad for him. He was crouch bridging, and then I hit him once, and then he clutched with a pro moment, but then he died because I hit him once. Wait, how? I'm going to end the video off here. Thank you so much for watching. Like if you enjoyed, subscribe please. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subs. No, not 1,000 subs, that's unrealistic. 800 subs by the end of the video. Okay, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm trying to hit 800 subs by the end of the year, so subscribing would help a lot. So, bye.